Hello grade 9s, in this video I will be looking at the creditors ledger of Big Geek Shop on page 31. Okay, so creditors ledger is where you've got different creditors and each one's statement will be shown over here. So it's like getting a statement from the creditor showing what you owe him and what transactions took place in the specific month of July. Okay, so there's three creditors. You will see it's C1, C2 and C3. C1 means creditor 1, creditor 2, creditor 3. Okay, so you will see accounts rendered, or you can say balance. That's the opening balance on the specific accounts, and those amounts are 15, 11, 200 and 12,500 we get on page 29 over there, where they tell you that's the opening balance for the month of July. Okay, this is on page 29. Then we have to look for the names of Droop shops in the specific journals, and there's three journals: creditors journal, creditors allowances journal, and your cash payments journal, and that's on page 30. Okay, so let's look for Droop shops first, and you will see Droop shops on the 21st, and you will also see it on the 5th. Okay, so the 5th is obviously the first date in the month, so you will do that one first, and you will see folio C1. It goes to creditors ledger account number 1. Okay, and the 5,000 Rand goes into the creditors control account there on the right hand side. Okay, so you will see here on the left, if it's a cash payments journal and you're paying a liability, your liability will decrease. Okay, so you're making your liability less and it decreases on the debit side. Okay, so take a look in your creditors ledger, and you will see on the 5th it's a bank statement. So in the details you put the specific source document, you write in the folio the specific journal, and then why do we put it on the debit side is because, as I showed earlier, the liability decreases on the debit side. Okay, so the 5,000 decreases the 15,000 and you will get to 10,000 then, because it minimizes the liability. And then lastly, on the 21st, in the creditors journal, Droop shops, you'll see again it's 35,000, so this again increases the liability on the credit side. So you increase the liability on the credit side with 35,000 Rand, so you owe Droop shops 35,000 more. Okay, and on the credit side you put the 35,000, invoice number 99 in the CJ, and that gets to 45,000 as the total that we owe Droop shops at the end of the month.